Okay, good afternoon, class. In our last lecture, we have done few example of ER diagram, but as per your performance, it is not satisfactory work. So you need a more practice. And as you know, I am putting the weightage on my words. As you know, you are having a totally offline mid-semester exam. So all of you have to write the answer in descriptive manner. Clear? So for that you need a practice, and we have a time, we have lots of extra lecture. So do it seriously. Consider this activity not as a time pass, but do it seriously. After doing practice only, you are able to draw the nearby or perfect ER diagram in an exam. Otherwise, I am sure you will keep it as a blank, and there is no mark for neat and clean paper, right? So everyone, already we have gone through the hospital, school and library, right? And hotel. Okay, hotel. Next one is the bus, airline or train reservation. So let's reduce some work. These all three are similar. So you draw one EI diagram for any reservation. You need to do the reservation uh, system EI diagram. Either it is bus, train or railway or airline. Clear? And if you have not uploaded, then upload in a Google Classroom. Keep all these records with you, and also today's work you need to upload, right? Rutvik Rathod, uh, if you were present, then you should know I gave the task. You need to draw the EI diagram. So then I think no need to speak, right? Screen is not visible. Uh, can anyone ping me? Is it visible? Let me share it again.
सर खाली प्रेजेंटेशन ही दिखा रहा है और
Okay,
खाली
okay, no issue. Let me check it. Let me check it. No issue. अब
now visible sir.
okay, fine. Devans Kanaria, if you are a new student, so it is your responsibility to get what topics we have covered during the laboratory and during the lectures. Not only Devans, all the all the new students, it's your responsibility, right? So whenever you get the email ID, at that time I will add you. So till that you wait. No need to upload. It's a very common sense. Dev Jain sir, can you repeat all attributes because it's very confusable now. That's why I told you, and that's why we gone through one by one, and we spent 2 hours, 2 lectures for all the attributes, right? This is the proof from your class. Yes, I will repeat. Dax Kundani, we have to draw the diagrams for this. That's why I gave you, na. Okay, next one. Go for the company ER diagram. Go for the company ER diagram. Those who are having a confusion or doubt, let me revise this entire unit. So pay attention on a screen. This is first line. Second, यहाँ पे जरूरत नहीं है, मैं skip करूँगा. Design methodology, it means it is the process, step-by-step process to design the database, right? Integrity constraints, check constraint, not null constraint, unique key, primary key, foreign key, these all are the constraints. Check constraint will check the condition. If it is satisfied, then it will allow to enter your data. Now remember, in a practical 3, if you want to learn seriously, then you can make the difference in practical 1 and practical 3. In a practical 1, we have not set the primary key or any constraints, right? So that's why it's allowed to enter any duplicate column, duplicate row, any not duplicate column, duplicate row, duplicate data. But in a practical 3, we are going to set the all constraints. After that, you can check it by yourself. I will also give you the demo. After setting these constraints, it will not allow to enter duplicate data. So this is the advantage of constraint, right? So check constraint, not null constraint, it means we cannot keep it as a null, blank, empty. Unique key, it will be unique, not duplication is allowed, but it can be a null. Primary key, same as a unique key, but it can't be null. Primary key null nahi rakh sakte. We have to give some values, right? Foreign key, primary key of another table is used in another table, then it is known as the foreign key. We have a different data models, hierarchical model. This is known as the hierarchical model. It's look like a tree structure. Network model, connected with each other, that is known as the network model. Next, relational model, it means row, column, tuples. This is known as the relational model. Column is known as the attributes, row is known as the tuples. Then object oriented model, in that class inheritance concept can be applied. Inheritance, it means we can derive the subclass from the superclass with all properties, right? Then ER diagram, entity relationship diagram, most important thing, graphical representation of the database. Entity is represented as the thing or object which is exists in a real world, and it is displayed in a rectangle set, right? In a rectangle set. Then entity set, it means all kind of similar entity will be together, make one group, and it is known as the entity set. Then attributes, it is characteristic and properties of entity, and it is represented in a oval set, right? Single which is single attributes which cannot be divided into a sub attribute. Composite attributes, it can be divided further in a subgroup like name and address. Single valued, who is having only one value. Multi-valued, who is having a more than one value like phone number, address, everything, and it is displayed by double oval. Derived attributes, which is derived from something. कोई एक एट्रीब्यूट से डिराइव होगा like age, date of joining, date of experience, year of experience, and it is displayed by dashed oval. Next एग्जाम्पल हमने किया था. नेक्स्ट मैपिंग कार्डिनल रिलेशनशिप. If you want to connect two entity, then by using diamond symbol, by using relation. रिलेशन में क्या लिखे वो क्वेश्चन रहता है स्टूडेंट्स को. उसमें वर्ब्स, फ्रेजेस और गुजराती में कहूँ तो क्रियापद. जनरली वी आर यूजिंग दैट थिंग, वर्ब्स, फ्रेजेस, राइट, लाइक हैज, मॉडिफाइड, इश्यूड. क्लियर? If two entities are connected, it is binary. If it is three connected, then it is ternary, right? Mapping cardinality, if it is one to one, then one entity to one entity only, not more than one. Many to one, one to many, and many to many. I am not going to discuss that thing. Participation constraints. Every entity of one entity set is associated with the entity of another entity set, then it is total participation. And partial, it means not all, only few, some entities. Like this, सारे कस्टमर को लोन नहीं होती, राइट. C1 C2 को लोन है, सो ये पार्शियल पार्टिसिपेशन. बट लोन अकेली नहीं इश्यू होती, लोन का कुछ बोरोवर होता ही है, सो लोन टोटल पार्टिसिपेशन हुआ. क्लियर? वीक एंटिटी सेट which is not having a primary key, that is known as the weak entity set. तो प्राइमरी की नहीं है तो क्या, कुछ की तो होगी ना, लेकिन वो की स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है, दैट्स व्हाई इट्स अ वीक एंटिटी एंड इट इज नोन एज द डिस्क्रिमिनेटर. ये डेफिनेशन पूछ सकते हैं एक मार्क में. explain unique key, explain discriminator, explain design methodology, explain ER or define ER, right? Okay. So to become a strong, we need one relationship and one primary key. So to connect these two entity, you can use the double diamond symbol, weak entity relationship with total participation, and with weak entity set is represented as a double rectangle. And loan number and payment number jointly, compositely, we can say it as a strong primary key. Yes.
काय बધી मन
Friends, mute your mic.
અહીંયા દોસ્તારના હાથમાં આવી જાય ને.
Make sure while you are in an online class, make sure your mic is off and video is off, right? Friends, next we have seen the extended ER diagram, specialization, generalization, top-down approach, that is known as the specialization. It means one entity is divided into a subclasses, or subclasses are joined together in a one class, that is generalization. Both things are vice versa, right? And we have seen the constraints, disjoint constraint, non-disjoint constraint, participation. We have discussed earlier. Disjoint constraint, it means superclass is associated with only one subclass, then it is disjoint. If it is associated with more than one subclass, then it is known as the overlapping. Like I am the faculty. Let's take example. I am the employee. I can be a full time, I can be a part time employed, and I can be a consultant. Logically आप सोचो, आप गलत नहीं है पहले बोल दो। आप लॉजिकली क्या सोचेंगे, सर फुल टाइम जॉब कर रहे हैं तो पार्ट टाइम जॉब क्यों नहीं कर सकते, रात रात को दो घंटे हम फ्री बैठते हैं तो पार्ट टाइम क्यों नहीं कर सकते। हाँ, दैट इज रियलिटी, that is reality, that is actual example of overlapping if you are doing. But my condition is that, or any organization is having any condition like this, you cannot do any part-time job, you must have to associate it with me only, then it is disjoint constraint, right? Aggregation, you cannot connect these two relationship, but if we convert this relationship into a one entity like customer, then entity can be connected by using one relationship. Clear? So this is aggregation. These all are the symbols which we have discussed. अब आप सोचो कितनी मिनट लगी रिवीजन करने में, नॉट मोर देन 10 मिनट्स, पूरा यूनिट खत्म। और आपको ऐसा लगा कि इसमें भी कुछ हार्ड हो, ऐसा सिर्फ सिंबल है तो वो प्राइमरी सिंबल तो आपको याद रखने पड़ेंगे ना। ओके, राइट नाउ आई एम हैविंग 1 crore rupees, आई एम गिविंग यू, आर यू एबल टू काउंट? No, 0 and 1, not only 0. Then I don't think so this many questions will come in a chat or an offline, right? Then after we have done this practice, that's it. So go ahead, go for the company. What time it is? Okay, 12:56. Mouse. Any query now? यस, स्पेशलाइजेशन जनरलाइजेशन में आप कर सकते हो देव जैन, आप कर सकते हो सेपरेट एंटिटी। एम्प्लॉय कैन बी फुल टाइम, 3 एंटिटी तो मैंने आपको डिस्प्ले कर दी, लेकिन हमें सब कुछ लिमिट में करना है। ईआर डायग्राम कबाड़ खाना नहीं बनाना है, इट शुड बी नीट एंड क्लीन, राइट? दैट्स व्हाई आई गिव यू द टिप्स फॉर एग्जामिनेशन, whether you want to follow, you can. I think no need to share this PPT right now, so I am stopping my screen. Okay, all of you, let's conclude this session. Today we have completed the revision of ER diagram. Write down your enrollment number, only enrollment number into a chat.